In the fast-paced world of the automotive aftermarket, finding skilled technicians is a significant challenge. It's therefore important for any business in our industry to carefully think about how they want to retain valuable staff and attract new top talent. This is something that we spent a lot of time considering at Maverick Diagnostics. With 25 years of specialist diagnostics experience, continuous learning is of course one of our core values, and it's ingrained in our ethos. It's reflected in our commitment to our staff and also to our customers. Our mission is to empower technicians in the automotive aftermarket to ensure that every independent garage and workshop can access, understand and utilise dealer diagnostic tooling to their fullest potential. Our products and services are designed to give customers access to expert advice but also on-the-job learning opportunities. We saw a gap here, so we designed our dealer tool support from the Maverick Help Desk to give a direct line to customers to our experts, which allows them to solve real-time problems whilst also giving them on-the-job learning experience. So we took this one step further. We listened to our customers' feedback and pain points and realised they needed something more thorough and in-depth, and we set up the Automotive Training Academy. There, our customers can gain experience and skills from in-depth dealer tool training and IMI-certified EV training. Our in-person courses are delivered with an independent workshop in mind, covering the latest equipment in dealer diagnostics. At Maverick Diagnostics, we understand the importance of competitive salaries to attract and retain staff, but we go beyond just compensation. Keeping our staff up to date with the latest technology is crucial. Continuous learning not only keeps our staff up to date with skills, but also keeps them engaged and motivated. When our employees are engaged in their work, it translates to better customer service. A happy customer leads to job satisfaction for our staff, creating a positive cycle of engagement and excellence. We take employee development seriously. We employ an employee development coach to support our team's growth and make use of business coaching to upskill all levels of the business. Upskilling our employees and providing robust support systems benefits everyone. Our technicians are more skilled and engaged, our customers are more satisfied, and our business thrives as a result. If you want to find out more about training, head to the training tab. If you want to find out more about dealer tool support, go to the support tab on our website, maverickdiagnostics.com.